Our team works to make those institutions feel comfortable with what we've built and what we're doing and what's being built on chain by third parties. And then I think, especially with the more retail-oriented people, you've got to build up a lot of trust, which I think, and I hope at Flare we've been quite effective at that actually. We've always been very decentralization, very non-custodial sort of structured first. That's why we built our own Oracle system and didn't just grab someone else's. I think it's very important that the products that are being offered are absolutely ruthlessly truthful about whether they're custodial or non-custodial. Because honestly, a lot of the people in the XRP ecosystem, they really don't want to put their money in a custodial product. So you have to have a good mix on chain of your more custodial products and then your completely decentralized, pure DeFi products.